an eye-opener because I didn't know that in India so many organizations are doing so well in terms of offering mental health services or support to their employees because probably I am in an industry or a space where it's not gone that far yet. But it's good to know that in India there is so much being offered already, and there is a long way. We discussed about the shortcomings and the way forward also, but we also discussed about how far we have already come, and that was very good to know, and definitely something very encouraging to implement for my own employees in my organization. So democratization of mental health means to me that mental health cannot be an initiative anymore. It cannot be a Friday evening yoga session or a mental health session. It cannot be just a virtual coffee break to discuss a happy moment with each other. It cannot be just a simple presentation that we are launching this. Now it has to become the strategy. It has to be a very important point on the leadership table, because the employee's mental health is going to make a huge difference in the way the organization functions, performs, and we talked about return on investment. I think it is becoming key more and more, and it cannot be an initiative anymore. It has to become the strategy. It has to be a culture, and culture is not by HR only, right? Culture is how you feel the moment you step into an organization, through the doors of the office, how everybody treats you, how you interact with every single person, every human, how you feel, basically not what is on emails, what is on paper, what is on big hoardings, but how you feel in the organization. That makes the culture, and that cannot be done purely by HR. That HR is pushing you to have a culture which is inclusive of mental health issues or supportive of mental health issues. So and to make it a culture, it has to be embedded into the pulse of the organization. So managers, peers, leaders, from top to bottom, everybody has to take it up as a work to be done to improve their own culture, the place that they live in, the place where they spend most of their day, and how it will improve as the culture improves is something that needs to be understood by every single person.